Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to show you 5602 in cedar. I like that last shoreline we put in, but I'm going to have to tell you, I think I'm going to like this one better because you can really see them beadboards nice here. Like they are predominantly, you can see those like super nice on this one. This door looks smoking. Once again, fully urethane. I got the beautiful wood grain here. These are the built-in inserts, not the clip-on, so those look really sharp. The Madison windows with, I got it disconnected, I think, sir. Thank you. The Madison windows on here with this, what do you call that thing above there that did a cupola or something?
Hey Tom, what's that thing up top called? That wood thing outside? What do you call it? Pergola.
A pergola. Pergola and cupolas. What? Sorry, I'm at a loss there, but this is a beautiful door. I'll bring you on the inside really quick and show you. Here's the small one we're putting in right now. Urethane door. 5602 cedar, 9x and a 16x. And then here, all 11 gauge hardware. Nice clear windows. 11 gauge, 13 ball zinc. And then this one you can see the 15-inch horizontal. They gave you a nice 8-foot reinforced. So we moved the bolt in right there, and this one here is no center hangs necessary. The smaller door will not receive center hangs, but a beefed up horizontal track. You can see over here, it does look a little longer than normal, but you know what? That's wonderful. Just absolute nice track here. Big heavy duty springs. These are like 35,000 plus. Angle mount with a lock nut. And then these are more modern 2.0 Craftsman openers, belt drives. So they bounce, roll smooth. I'm just going to bring you outside to show you again. Alright, we're down here at the floor. I'm playing at the floor. We don't want your pretty faces in there. No, you got a pretty face. Pretty ugly, no. Just kidding. Here's the trim that's going to get put on. It's got some nice wood tones to it too. Those will go on last, obviously. And there it is. The 5602 16.7 Shoreline by CHI. I absolutely love this lasered planks look in the background. Just absolutely phenomenal. Just love this door. It looks absolutely stunningly beautiful. For doors like this and all your shorelines, give us a call 630-271-9343, www.innovatedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thank you for watching our video. Might do a video of both doors and our pictures or something. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our Shoreline 5602 cedar with Madison windows. Awesome. See you in the next one.